Hey guys, this is Richard, M&R Trailers again. We have a different truck here. It's actually a Isuzu truck. It's a brand new truck. This is going to be a coffee truck for roll and grind. I think the owner's name is Mark. But I just wanted to do a quick video before this left to give you an idea of what you can do with an Isuzu truck as well. As you can see, it's not the back area is not connected to the cab. Which is fine for most people, but it's you can hear it running. It's a really nice truck, very quiet running. But we're going to walk around a little bit and give you an idea. We'll go inside and do a quick video inside and let you understand what he's got inside there. But this is a PowerTech generator. These coffee machines take a lot of power, but this is he'll be fine with what he has here. So let's walk around the back and we'll run inside. Hey guys, this is the inside here. Just wanted to give you a quick view of what kind of equipment he's got. He's got some real nice blenders here. Real nice grinder, coffee grinder, espresso machine. Beautiful equipment, all brand new. Not even really sure what that is, but I'm sure he does. Full true refrigerator here, 6-foot serving window. He's got a 50-gallon water tank. Here's his sinks with an optional cutting board on top, so he can actually cut up whatever he needs right here in the sink. There's his hand sink, a propane water heater. The only propane he has in here is the water heater. So he's going to have a long, his tank, when his tank's full, he'll be able to use that for a long time without having to refill it. But here's another refrigerator. And then he's got a broom closet here. Real nice broom closet. He can store all his clean equipment in here. There you go. But anyway, real nice setup here for an Isuzu truck. First one we've done. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick video just to give you an idea. Talk to y'all later, buddy.